Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to clear the Discord app data on your Android phone safely and step by step. Clearing app data can help fix issues, but keep in mind it will erase all your settings and log you out. Locate the Discord app icon on your Android home screen. Press and hold the Discord icon until a small menu appears. Tap on App Info from the menu that pops up. After that, click on Storage Usage. Now, you'll see the option to Clear Data. Click on that button. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping OK. This will permanently delete all files, app settings, and your account data from the device. Remember, after clearing data, you will need to log in again when you open Discord. If you want to fix app problems or free up space, this method works well. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe and leave a like. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.